I'm just a regular 8-year-old boy with this cool skateboard. Now watch this, I got it a few weeks ago. So if your 8-year-old does this, make sure he's wearing a helmet at all times.
Is that why? Oh, you okay?
We're gonna rebuild the filler net and relocate it on the side of the flatbed.
How are you gonna do that?
Carefully. Excuse me, miss, your fuzzy might touch my arm.
Hey, that's not that heavy. Sweet. Oh, there we go.
So we got the bed removed with a little bit of effort and some trepidity. Trepidity, is that the word? It was scary. Okay, I'll just say it. But now that the bed's off, we've kind of run into some challenges. Totally not insurmountable, but I pulled the back bumper off. But in a previous video, you'll remember I referenced borrowing heavily from another YouTuber who's a fabricator and wanting to model the bed after that. Well, yeah, he drives a Ford and this is a Dodge, and the bed rails are totally different. So we're not able to just lay down a full 2x6, and the bed rails are different. It's straight in the back and then drops down, but we have these two pedestals. And in addition to that, over here we have a rear shock mount that is going over about 1/3 to 1/2 of the frame rail, and I don't want to cut it out, so we have to work around it. So we're gonna run box tubing across here, and then we'll run another 2x6 piece across here, and then in the back as well, where the factory bed bolted down, we'll run two. Then that'll serve as the foundation for the foundation, if you will. And then what that will do, that'll give us 2 inches of elevation here where the shock mount is. That way we can get over it. And instead of using 2x6, we'll hop down to a 2x3. So that'll be the 2x6 flat, 2x3, and then 2x3 perpendicular to that to serve as the supports for the bed. I over purchased a little bit on the 2x3, so it actually works out. I should only need to go get another 10 feet of the 2x3 to make it work. And this was one of the challenges with needing to use the truck to get the metal before I could take the bed off. I didn't fully understand how I was gonna do it until the bed was off, so it was kind of a shot in the dark. And we weren't too far off the bullseye, but we made it on the paper, so we're just having to kind of do it as we go. So the next task is gonna be to get it in the garage after we're done fixing the Jeep, get some box tubing laid down, mocked up, and start laying down some cross members.